Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, so first of all, let's pray and thanks to our God Allah who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can gather in this place without any trouble and obstacle. Okay, so today in this presentation I want to present about my IT project. Okay, so for the first is the data isi. There is two, which is multimedia and robotic. The next is my first monthly target of IT in IT, which is a make design in Figma. So for the first design is about a Jordan shoes. I make the design in Figma, and it took me about 2 days. The next one is a IT poster, but of the Dinia team. Okay, so it's about adab sebelum ilmu. For the next is design IT, and the first one is about infographics di mahal sebelum di mahal. I use Pinterest to search the infographics. And then the next one is about illustration in Figma. I use the theme of clock tower, and then I add a little bit of something in behind so it wouldn't get polished. Okay, so the next one is merchandise and UI UX. For the merchandise, I make it also in Figma, and then it took me about 2 weeks to finish because we need to make the design. Okay, for the next one is UI UX in Figma. I make this in Figma using desktop and with Hafiz, and it's about GoFood website. The next one is 3D design leaf blower. I make this in Spline. At first I want to make a house, but it will take so much time, so I decided to make this. It took me about 1 week. The next one is animation. I make this animation in Spline. In what? I don't know lah. I forget. In Lotifiles. And I decided to make the theme about 404 animation. 404 is when you open a website, and then the Google couldn't find it. It will show like this. Okay. The next one is color grading. So there is actually 4, but I decided to put 2 because it's too much. The first one is about nostalgic. I make this using Affinity, and the second one is a person sat in the bench. Okay, so for the next one is video dakwah about akibat tokoh. My team is me, Rusdi, Afan, and Abian. The film is about a people who is vaping, and then this one get killed by an accident. And then the other person is Taubat. Okay, so for the next one is tutorial professional about Pinterest. So I make a tutorial how to search a reference for design. Okay. The next one is video marketing. The video marketing is about Ultramilk susu. The next one is UI 3D design. I make this using Visual Code Studio and Spline. For the 3D I use Spline, and then this I using AI and Visual Code Studio. Okay, so for the next one is TinyBit. TinyBit fast hacking. So it's about like using Lofi robot, Macode, and teachable machine. So when my face is left, and then it will go to left. The next one is TinyBit math solving. So the TinyBit math solving is about like a tiny bit that we will give math, and then the tiny bit will try to figure out with the code. So the next one is tiny bit soccer. It's like a normal football but using tiny bit. So I make a tiny bit and then give him some cardboard to make him can bring the ball. And then we also make the field using cardboard and stuff. Okay, so for the next one is TinyBit controller. So it's basically like a mobile. We use like WASD to move and stuff. We make this using Macode and Rofi. Okay, so maybe that's all for me. So I will give a conclusion. The conclusion is if you not finish the SKL, you couldn't go home. And then there is like something like robotic, and we use AI, Figma, Spline, Affinity, and so many. Okay, maybe that's all for me. And then there is video marketing that we make using team. So if you don't have any team, you couldn't finish this video. And we also have tutorial professional that we need to take time to make the subtitle. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you all for listening to my presentation. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.